Good day. Today we are going to learn about exponential functions. And this topic is an introduction to exponential functions. Our memory verse is found in 1 Kings 4 verse 29. It says, "And God gives Solomon wisdom and understanding beyond measure, and breadth of mind like the sand of the seashore." At the end of this lesson, we will be able to represent real-life situations using exponential function. For your venture activity, here's the bacteria trouble. Ruby left a slice of bread uncovered on a table for 1 minute. And after a minute, he checked under a microscope and found 3 bacteria. In the next minute, there were 9. In the next minute, there were 27. In the next minute, there were 81. If the bread will remain uncovered for 10 minutes, how many bacteria will be there? If you noticed, the increase is exponential. It means that the increase is so rapid. That is one characteristic of the exponential function. Now, what is an exponential function? It is a function which can be written as f of x equals b to the power of x. Remember, b, or the base, should be greater than 0 and never be equal to 1. Because if our base is just equal to 1, then no matter what the exponent is, the answer will always be 1. Or when b is equal to 0, no matter what your exponent is, the answer is still equal to 0. In this form, b is called the base, while x is called as the exponent. Remember that in the exponential function, the variable is found in the exponent. Please check. These are examples of exponential function. Please check where can you see the variables. While these are examples of non-exponential functions, you check where do you see the variables. Now here are some applications of exponential functions in real-life situations. Remember that it increases rapidly or it decreases rapidly. For example, we take this graph. In a linear function, you see it is steadily increasing. But in an exponential function, the increase is very rapid. Here are some examples, like the number of infected patients of COVID-19, or we see the increase of bacteria, like our venture with me activity, or the increase of human population, the increase of invested money at a compounding interest, the half-life of a substance, and the death toll in the Philippines. Now, these are just some examples of exponential functions. What else do you know? This time, you need to apply the concepts with activity number 1.